If you ask me how network marketing has made or worked upon me, I am the product today. You ask me what product I like, no, I would say this is the best product I like. I came out as a great product. Yeah. I was not happy with what I was earning there. The salary was not even lasting for 20 days. So I was already looking out for other opportunities. I made plans with my roommates. Most of them remained in paper. And then I came across a friend of mine who explained this. I was actually looking out for this. Now every business which we are planning with my roommates needed a capital investment. So when somebody presented me an opportunity which was costing me very little money, so I found it interesting mainly because there was a pendant, and I had never bought anything for my mom till that point after getting a job. So I thought it would be a great start. So I bought a Bismillah pendant for my mom, and that's how I started with the business. And in addition to this, addition to the products, what attracted me was like the parallel income which I could actually make here. Now, if I could actually convince my friends that they could buy some pendants for their girlfriends or their mothers, they could actually generate an additional source of income. And thereby, if I could earn at least one check every month, that would actually be substantially equal to my salary. Excited. One best part I find in this business is there is someone looking over your shoulder. In the initial phase of it, it was V-Counsel Ranjit Ravi, who was guiding me through in every basics of our business. And later on in 2010, I was handed over to my today's mentor. I mean, that's one thing I'm very happy and proud about. He partner Padma, call her Padmaka. So Padmaka was there to guide me through every step I stumbled upon. She taught me this is how life would teach you. She taught me how to handle money. She taught how to save money, how to clear up my debts and somehow come into positive. I saw her mentor her children achieve unbelievable stuff. She made me understand that anything can rise even from the ashes. She also helped me build all the current set of leaders I have. Now in 2015, she upgraded me to be a better leader by sending me off to a different market. And today, UAE happens to be my biggest market. Network marketing, the best gift you get is the upline you have. Follow your upline, follow your mentor. I still follow her instructions blindly. I actually owe all my success to her. Being successful initially was different from what it is to me today. When I started, the only intention was to make money. I somehow wanted an extra source of income. The first month I recovered my entire money. That was the most important part of my business journey. I consider that to be my first success. But before that, getting my first check was also success. Because everyone rejected me in my room and I never believed I could make anything over here. I have two endings to my entire journey here. I quit my business in 2008, unfortunately, due to reasons. Now, restarting was again success. I restarted going through a lot of other businesses. I understood in every business you fail. And today I call that day successful. When I had to look up in the sky and say that I don't owe a single penny to anybody, that was in 2014. And I call that day success. I consider success to be inspiring people around me. Today my definition of success is when I do something, somebody around me believes that, okay, he can do it, then I can do it as well. That is success. Success keeps changing. Looking forward for more success. Yeah. Why QNet is a great platform? We are into e-commerce and we are the only company on the freaking planet to actually sell everything online and industrial direct selling. So that's a great platform. We are in 160 plus countries. So that gives you a vast opportunity. Okay, so you can start with this. Try it out. Build yourself as an individual who actually gets better confidence to try out more things. Now today, I am into startup investments and I have started with more than 5 companies. Basically, I never expected myself to do these kind of things. But today, QNet gave me the confidence to do that. Okay, one of my startups even went up to the level of acquiring the best agricultural startup in India. Now, where did I get this confidence? Definitely, I would say all the credit goes to QNet and that is it. Yep. So, youngsters out there, don't think twice before getting into career. Welcome home. Thank you.